What happens when an American muscle legend abandons its thunderous V8 and replaces it with a twin-turbo straight-six? Is it evolution or identity crisis? Today, we're diving into the 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack Scat Pack Plus, a car that tries to redefine what modern muscle really means. At first glance, the new Charger feels like a bold departure from the past. Dodge built its reputation on loud engines, aggressive styling, and unapologetic attitude. But this generation signals a shift toward refinement without completely abandoning performance. Under the hood sits a high-output 3-liter twin-turbo inline-six, pushing an impressive 550 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. Pair that with all-wheel drive, and you get a coupe that launches with serious authority. Put your foot down and the Charger rockets from 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds. That's quick by any standard, especially for a car tipping the scales at nearly 4,900 pounds. The power delivery feels immediate once you're rolling, smooth and surprisingly linear for a turbocharged setup. Around town, the engine behaves with composure, though the accelerator can feel a little sensitive at low speeds. The 8-speed automatic transmission is mostly cooperative in everyday driving, shifting cleanly and staying out of the way, but start pushing harder and things get less satisfying. Downshifts can hesitate when you want instant response, and the paddle shifters lack the tactile feedback enthusiasts crave. It's not a deal-breaker, but in a performance car, those details matter. In straight-line performance, the Charger holds its own, yet the story changes when you compare it to lighter rivals. Some competitors are quicker off the line and stop far shorter, reminding us that brute horsepower isn't everything. Still, there's something undeniably commanding about how this Dodge charges forward. Out on the highway, the big coupe settles into a confident rhythm. The steering feels nicely weighted and direct, giving you the sense that this large machine will go exactly where you point it. The suspension leans firm, which helps stability through sweeping roads, but can make rough pavement feel a bit harsh. Take it into the corners, though, and the limits show themselves. Grip isn't quite where you'd want it to be for a car with this much power, and when you really lean into a turn, understeer arrives earlier than expected. It's a reminder that despite its modernization, the Charger still carries some classic muscle car DNA, big, fast, and happier in a straight line than on a technical track. Braking performance is respectable for daily driving, with good pedal modulation in traffic, but if you're imagining frequent track days, you might find yourself wishing for stronger stopping power. Now let's talk about something longtime fans will notice immediately: the sound. The old V8 Chargers had a deep, unmistakable roar that practically defined the car's personality. This new turbocharged 6 has a refined tone, even a sporty one, but it doesn't quite stir the soul in the same way. Instead of raw aggression, you get sophistication. Whether that's progress or a loss of character depends on what you value. However, visually, Dodge nailed the futuristic vibe. The sleek lighting, wedge-shaped profile, and long silhouette give the Charger an almost sci-fi presence, like it drove straight out of a cyberpunk cityscape. It's modern without leaning on retro nostalgia, signaling a clear break from the past. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that feels spacious enough for real adults in the back, something rare in performance coupes. Large digital displays dominate the dashboard, and while the graphics aren't groundbreaking, the system is responsive and easy to navigate. Storage is generous, the seats are supportive, and the mix of leather, suede, and carbon-style trim creates an interior that feels genuinely special, even if a few materials fall short of premium expectations. Of course, all this comes at a price. Starting in the low $60,000 range and climbing well past $70,000 with options, the Charger enters territory packed with serious competition, some offering stronger performance value. That makes this car less of an obvious choice and more of an emotional one. So who is this Charger really for? It's for the driver who wants presence, a car that feels substantial, futuristic, and undeniably powerful. It's for someone willing to embrace a new definition of muscle, one that trades a bit of raw drama for technology and refinement. But it also raises a bigger question: can a muscle car reinvent itself without losing its soul? The 2026 Dodge Charger Sixpack doesn't try to be the loudest rebel anymore. Instead, it aims to be smarter, more mature, and more versatile. Whether that's exactly what fans want is still up for debate. One thing is certain: The muscle car era isn't disappearing, it's evolving, and this Charger might just be a glimpse of where American performance is headed next.